we gotta flip soccer ball. Oh, cool. No way, yo. No way, bro. Yeah. Wow. No way, bro. No way, yo. What in the world? No, the ball. No, the ball. The ball. The ball. The ball. Oh, I get it. I'm gonna not turn around right now. Ooh, Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia, I'm so scared of that. Oh, what the heck? Where could that ball be? Oh, I am in this dark place now. Huh? What in the world? Okay, sir. Okay. Sorry. Excuse me, sir. Okay, let's go. Not the ball. This invisible magnet will just help right now. Sir? What happened to you? Wait, no, that can't be. That can't be. No way. I better run. No, bro. Throw this ball. I am so scared. I gotta call. Slimy. Wait, his immortality syringe. Jarvis, we can't defeat him. No way. Wait, he stopped. He's gonna immortality syringe. Oh wait. Yeah. He's backing up. Now he gonna run to me. No way. No. What? Slimy. Please help. Why am I going to control? By control. No way. I got control. Where is your Forsaken? I gotta go find it. Yeah. Woohoo! Yo, let's go. Wait, what is this? Wait, is your Forsaken arms? No way. Okay, I'm back. What? Wait. Okay, I gotta get this arm up. Wait, what is that? Is that a dead body? Wait, what is that? Wait, what? No way. It can't be. He just died. Bro, no way. What the heck with this arm? Is this arm got control or something? Hey, get out of this arm. No way, bro. Yeah. Get off this arm. Yeah. I am so many blood. Oh my god. Yo. Is that dead body? Oh my god, it's so far away. Oh my god, oh you dear snail. Who did this, y'all? Who did this? Wait, what is that? A monster? No way. A monster, that can't be. No way. And he's coming now. Please don't hurt me, please don't hurt me, please don't hurt me. Ah, please, 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 please. Ah. I'm not friendly monster. I am fake monster. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'm the real monster. Wait, I'm the real monster. Put the ball. Oh, now we're here. Okay, is this creepy? Are you joking? Wait, no way. Is that a monster? No way, it can't be. We just found at the top. Wait, now we can't leave. How do we do now? What should we do now? Ah, wait. I don't know. Oh, a monster. We gotta beat him. But must be maybe his immortality. Now gotta beat him. Oh my god. This is dead body. Who is you? Are so very bad. Ah, my hand. Ah, oh no, this suck. This suck. You son of a jerk. Get out here. Yeah. Ah. Ah. No, my friend. I gotta go. This baby monster following me. No way. No way. She's gonna hurt me now. Oh, freaking funny. This is the freaking funny. No way. I've never seen this mom. Wait, is she my friend? I don't think so. He is not friendly. He is the real monster. Oh my god, my head got spinning around. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My god, I gotta run. I gotta run. Yeah. Wait. Huh? Okay. I joined this. Okay. Wait. Is this a dead body? No way. It can't be. It's just a dream. No way. No way. No way. No way. It can't be. It can't be. No way. No way. No way. Is it a monster? Is it a monster? No way. It can't be, bro. It's not. It's just a monster. The creepy monster, not a monster with a creepy. Not a monster without a creepy. Oh, no way. Oh my god, you're gonna hurt me. No. No way. What the heck? No way, bro. No way. Bro, okay. Wait, no way. What? Who? Huh? Wait, no way. A monster spawned 1 second. No. No, he spawned. No. What the freak? No way. Is that another game? Wait. Another two monsters spawned. No way. He gonna down. Ah! What the frick? No way. What is that? Bruh. No way. That is problematic. That is coming to the basic. That is inside the video right now. What the heck?